I'm very excited. My very first PlayStation 5 console. This was bought faulty from eBay. There's the listing. And there's the description. So apparently it's got a problem with the disk drive. Not sure what the problem is, but let's plug it in and find out. And obviously with it being eBay, we actually need to make sure that it does power on, like it says it does. Okay, let's find out. Blue light. Yes. Change to a white light now. Okay, controller in. Yeah, that all seems to work. Let's just whiz through this. Right, so it does work. Just make sure the drive makes noises. Yes, it does. This is the only game I have, but it's brand new, so this should work. Oh. It's taken it, but it kind of struggled. Unsupported disk. Let's try it again. Oh, it came out okay. Oh, no, it's not happy. Okay, right. Now what do I do? Well, let's take the disk out and let's power this down fully and let's take it apart, I guess. Right, as I said before, I've never owned one of these, so I don't know how to take it apart. I've seen other people doing it. You just lift it and slide it or something. Oh, okay, that was quite easy. It's very dusty inside here. Right, well that's obviously the disk drive. Do I have to remove everything else? I think I probably do. I've just noticed the security seal still seems to be intact, which is always a good sign. Not anymore, it's not.
Finally got me a PlayStation 5. There's something wrong with the stupid disk drive. Unsupported disk, what do you mean? This thing's new and the disk is so clean. Standing proud like an erection. This thing's a beast, gotta get this fixed up. Massive thanks to all the patrons. A1 Base, the original Western Sons. Fred Chauvier, Jam Raganito Rega, Aaron Marks, Peter Flux, and Adam Taylor. Jonathan Wick, Andrea Facio, Infinity, Tactic Shadow, Daff, Willie, Inflin, Pappy Rappy, Ron Vintage Electronics, Ben Rush, Baroki, Mark Evans 90, Jonathan Harden, and Wine Junkie, Amelia Herrera, Darren Cali, Os Newton. I'm losing parakeet hairs like the Dharma, how we done. Big Adam Tin Man, Ellis Garber, knocking out rise like a Shoryuken uppercut. Let's get back to the PS5 show. Just time to thank the Monkey Joe Tokyo.
All these screws are a different length, really quite difficult to keep track. Right, let's see if it comes off now. Yay! Okay. Very, very dusty. Right, now what do I do?
Okay.
Right, nice. Let's get rid of this big lump of dust. Well, let's open this up. You can see 4 screws, so I'm going to undo them. Oh, we've got loads more screws around the edge, obviously. Well, Sony weren't taking any chances with the screws on this thing. There's far too many of them. It still won't come apart. Did I miss that one? Oh dear. Right, well, that's the top off. Excellent. Right, there we have it. First impressions, it doesn't actually look that bad, but Maybe it's just got a dirty lens. That would be a result, wouldn't it? Well, it all looks absolutely fine. I mean, the rollers don't turn very well. Well, I mean, they're not that bad. Probably give them a clean anyway. It all looks fine. Try and take these rollers out. Oh, okay. It's in 2 parts. That's quite good. What I might do is put some grease on here because they're very dry. Not a lot, just a little bit. Give these a clean. Clean the lens. See what happens. I'm just going to use isopropyl alcohol. Now let's start with the rollers. Not amazingly dirty. That was a bit dirtier. Still, not too bad. Right, let's just give this lens a quick clean very gently. I'm just going to use a dry one just to go over it. Nice. Just going to add a little bit of this mollycock grease with a cocktail umbrella, obviously. And I think I should be able to manually turn these with screw on the back. A little screw here. Yeah, there we go. Let's get that grease all up in there. Now let's put the rollers back on. Right, now I just need to pop the 3mm screws back in, give all this stuff a good clean. Let's see if it works. And there we go. All back together. It went back okay. First things first, let's see if it still turns on. Yes, it does. Nice. Okay, let's just try disc. Here it goes. Still don't sound great going in. Come on. Come on. Booyah! Amazing. Let's just see if it comes out okay. Yeah, it comes out fine. Let's try again. I mean, it sounds like it's struggling, but maybe it just sounds like that anyway. I don't know. But it's been recognised. I think I picked the wrong game here. This takes ages to install, doesn't it? Well, you'll be able to tell. It's now 11 minutes past 6. I mean, I could sit here for like 2 hours while it does this, but I don't think I'm going to. See you in a bit. Oh, we're nearly there. Yay! It's not a stupid game, I love it, but... Stupid game!
Here in my car, I feel safe as the